When you do scans, you want to do it perfectly because it's a new thing in this world. So it's very important for us to show the customers that we can fulfill the work. All the data we get from the BLK and the other scanners is to use it for BIM models. So what we did before was that we did like a selfie. So we put this iron pole outside the window, and we took out the big RTC scanner and did it the manual way. We can go other places that's not possible with the other kind of scanners. We couldn't have done the job at Eskov Slot without the BLK2FLY. Thing is, at that castle is that it has water around it. So you cannot actually register that building in another way than using the BLK2FLY. When you normally registered buildings, you have to be so many people to get out there. With the scanning, you can sample everything in one file, and then they only have to go out there one time to just see the building and get the impression for what they see, and then they have the whole registration in the computer when they get home. You can do the job very fast. Time is everything when you do scanning. The time we save with the BLK is that we can do 2 jobs in a day. There was no doubt about that we should invest in this BLK2FLY.